Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I am here today to share my last altered playing card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. This is week 52, guys. Oh my gosh, it has flown by, and this was a great collaboration. So my playing card, I'm just using a regular playing card. These are a little smaller than your normal cards, just by, I think, I don't know, a quarter of an inch, maybe, no, it's more of an eighth of an inch. So it's, yeah, all the way around. So what I did was I scratched up, or I sanded down my card, and then I laid down some paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's very, I think I got this on clearance last year. And I added this felt sticker from the Dollar Tree, and I added a reindeer, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer sticker. Added it in the center. Kind of reminded me as an ugly sweater, but it's not. The background looks like a sweater, and then it kind of looks like an ugly sweater, but it's not. I added some holly bling from Hobby Lobby. I've been using my stash, try to use it up. I got 4 left. And I inked the edges. And there is my last card for this collaboration. I want to thank Penny for a great collab. I believe she's doing it again next year. I can't wait to see if she's going to challenge us even more, because we were using different size cards this year. Yeah, I'm excited. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope everybody enjoyed their time with family, or continuing on spending time with family, because it's just a day after Christmas. And I want to wish everybody a great holiday. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.